am Smarties. Today I'm gonna make mold and pink glitter craft mermaid. Now let's get started. First we need to pour the powder clay inside here. We need to pour the water bit by bit. Now it's time to pour this clay inside here and let it dry. Oh no, the plaster is not coming out. Mommy, I need help! Now we need to wait for this to dry for 1 hour. We will be back in 1 hour's time. Yay! Finally my modeling mermaid is dry. Now I can take it out. Yay! All my modeling mermaids is done. Now it's time to paint. Mommy, I need help. Thank you. Now it's time to paint and I have a bowl of water. Now let me paint. I need to put some water in first. And then I can put this. Wait, what should I paint? Wait, let me go and take the box so I can copy how they are paint. These are here. And I also got something special. I have glitter. Listen. I need yellow for the hair. Look, one of my mermaid is done. And now I am waiting for it to dry. Come and take a look. Not easy to paint all the little features. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell button. See ya! Hey, stop!